Hello, my name is Gerardo Susan. I'm a full-time professor at the National University of Mexico. I'm working at the Veterinary Medicine School and developing a project of One Health in the Peninsula Yucatan in Mexico. So I'm going to talk about what we have done in this area. So as we know, we are in a global crisis, changing completely whole ecosystems worldwide through the deforestation, biodiversity loss, and pollution and others that we know. And recently, we know that habitat loss and deforestation and the loss of biodiversity is related with infectious diseases and is recognized as an important driver for infectious diseases. So Mexico, we have the problem the same. We have deforestation, pollution, and different land use changes that are changing completely the whole ecosystems, especially in the south of Mexico. Here in the red part, you see the Peninsula Yucatan, which is one of the areas that has most of the problems here. And simultaneously, several emerging and emerging infectious diseases are occurring. So this is why this is a hotspot. So the Mexican government developed a priority projects in Mexico to understand disease ecology, to understand emerging infectious diseases and the risk for humans. So we developed a project here in the area in Peninsula Yucatan to understand on a multi-vector, multi-host, and multi-pathogen approach to understand how these changes in habitat loss and biodiversity loss relates with risk for human infectious diseases. So we are developing an interested net of connections to understand how these infectious diseases keeps and maintaining time and space. So simultaneously, we have worked together with the government of France, with the IRD and the National University of Mexico, developing an international joint laboratory. This project, called Ecosystem Biological Diversity, Habitat Modification, Risk of Emerging Pathogens and Disease in Mexico, has allowed us to collaborate in multiple projects here in the area. So we have impact nationally and regionally. This project, the Eldorado, has allowed us to collaborate with different countries, including Cuba, Germany, USA, France, Guatemala, India, Tanzania. So we are working on different projects, on different approaches, so developing an important node of One Health and collaboration on disease ecology. Simultaneously, we have working on intersectorial collaborations locally and regionally to work and work on public policies to change and work, focus on reducing risk factors and working on sustainability and with sociological and anthropological approaches and evolutionary and ecological approaches of infectious diseases. So we are working together in public policies, and this collaboration and this work has been done with the help of multiple professionists, researchers from different disciplines working on different topics in order to work together on a One Health approach, on a transdisciplinary approach. So in general, this project that we have done and developed in Mexico has allowed us to be part of and participate in the PREZODE initiative. So we are very happy to participate in this, working on these surveillance systems to identify and work on early detection systems for zoonosis, emergence. So we are working together in different ways, including capacity building, developing programs of One Health and sustainability for graduate programs and different courses on that. So we are working together with the help of different institutions, with the help from different countries to recognize and to work in this part of the region of the world in Yucatan to work in these One Health approaches. And PREZODE is one of the most important initiatives that we are very happy to participate on this. Thank you very much. And if you want to contact me, I'm very happy to answer whatever the doubts you have. Thank you, and nice to talk to you all.